Touch Lamina installation. This video will demonstrate how to install the Silux Control Touch Lamina. Complete the installation before continuing with the teaching and programming on the app. Let's begin the process. The Touch Lamina is supplied with two CR2032 batteries, mounting screws, double-sided tape, an external power supply if you wish to power it from your mains or your house's electricity, and a small cable which connects the power supply to the Touch Lamina. It is recommended that the mounting screws and double-sided tape are only used once you are satisfied with the installation location. Step 1. Using a flat screwdriver, open the plastic cover by inserting the screwdriver into the bottom hole and popping it open. Step 2. You have two options for connecting power. You can power up by using two CR2032 batteries or connect with the external power supply included in the package. Choosing to connect with CR2032 batteries. Remove the pull-out tags from beneath the batteries. The Touch Lamina will now be powered on. Place the cover and push down firmly onto the backside plastics to secure it. To test if the Touch Lamina has power, press any button on the face of the Touch Lamina. A green light in the bottom right corner will switch on, indicating that the power is on. If you do not see the green light, ensure that the CR2032 batteries are making good contact with the battery terminals inside the Touch Lamina, and that the batteries are not flat. You have successfully completed the process of connecting power to the Touch Lamina. Choosing to connect with the external power supply. When you are installing the external power supply, there is no need for the CR2032 batteries. Firstly, please ensure your power is off at the mains box before attempting to modify or work on any electrical wiring, if this is required. Secondly, if you feel uncomfortable or you are unfamiliar with household electrical wiring, we recommend that you use a qualified electrician to install these products for you. The power supply is supplied with a small cable with male connectors on both ends of the wire. Remove the grey covers from the power supply. On one side there is an input, 230 volts AC, live, neutral and earth. Wire this to your mains power. Please ensure your power is off at the mains box. On the other side of the power supply, there is an output with a female connector. Plug one of the male connectors of the cable supplied into the female connector on the power supply. Plug the male connector on the other end of the cable into the female connector inside the Touch Lamina, as indicated. There is only one way in which you can plug this connector in, so ensure you plug it in correctly. Switch the mains power on to test if there is power. You should see a red light on the power supply. Now you can close the grey covers. Place the cover and push down firmly to the backside plastics to secure it. To test if the Touch Lamina has power, press any button on the face of the Touch Lamina. A green light in the bottom right corner will switch on, indicating that the power is on. You have successfully completed the process of connecting power to the Touch Lamina. Step 3. Mounting the Touch Lamina. When replacing your existing wall switches, the Touch Lamina is designed to fit over your standard recessed wall box. Simply screw the backing panel over the existing wall box, place the cover and push down firmly onto the backside plastics to secure it. When using double-sided tape, remove the first liner of the tape and apply it to the backside plastics. Let the adhesive set before removing the second liner. Place the Touch Lamina firmly against the surface where you want the Touch Lamina to be mounted and let it set. When using screws to mount the Touch Lamina, open the Touch Lamina and use a pen or pencil to mark on the wall where your holes will be. Drill holes into the wall and screw the backside in tight. Place the cover and push down firmly onto the backside plastics to secure it. You have now completed the installation of the Touch Lamina and are ready to move on to the video of teaching and programming the Touch Lamina.